guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to be doing my nails, and y'all already know I love my press-on nails. These are the press-ons that I use. I do pick these up from Amazon, so the link will be down below. And the last few sets, girl, I have been using this glue, honey, and it's the pink gel glue from the Kiss brand, and this glue is the absolute truth. I picked this up from my local Dollar General, and girl, my last set of press-on nails, I wore them for I installed those on February the 2nd, and I just took those off yesterday on March 8th. So yes, I wore those for over a month. But this is the nail polishes that we're going to be using today from the Nail Addict brand, and I absolutely love these. They are so pretty, and they sent over the most beautiful spring and summer colors. So yeah, I have both the base coat and a top coat and 3 beautiful colors that I will be showing you here today in this video. So if you're interested in my nails, then keep watching. I always start by buffing the tops of my nails a bit. This takes the shine and the oiliness off the nails and helps the glue adhere the nail better to your real nail. The press-on nail, that is, to your real nail. I just go into the nails and I start picking out the nails that fit my nail beds best. And just give it a firm press. I like to hold it for at least 3 to 4 seconds. Once you have all of your nails on your fingers, this is how it's going to look. Alright, so now I'm ready to cut them down to my desired length. Now I have all of my nails on my fingertips. So now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my color. This is the color that I'm choosing to go in with. So pretty. This one is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. This one's called Purple Addict. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply the first coat. Get it cured under the UV lamp. Add a second coat and top it off with the clear top coat. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really hope you like it. I love it. This is Purple Addict by Nail Addict. I think it came out really, really cute. Let me know what you think down below in the comments area. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Be sure to check out Nail Addict. I will have their information down below should you be interested in their products. Okay? Bye, guys.